Let's have a look at Marcus Youssef. Okay, so he's a senior artist of the New World Theater. Oh, and I can see that there is nothing in label for French, so I will edit it. That's a bonus. So you can click on edit here. That will be the first edition, and I can cut and paste the name of Marcus Youssef and click publish. And then in French, people can search and they will see that Marcus Youssef exists. So statement. So Marcus Youssef is a statement, is an instance of human. Okay, every human is a statement of a human. This is the way you find someone or you identify people in Wikidata. And if you look at human, it's item 5. Items are numbered from the start, from the creation of Wikidata from 1, and it's increasing since then. So 5 is a very low number. So it's important most probably in Wikidata. So Q5 is the item number for human. So Marcus Youssef is a human. It's a sex or gender male, given name Marcus, occupation artist. Then let's have a look. We will add information into Wikipedia. One way of doing that is for visual arts is by looking at awards. Let's have a look at the Governor General's Award in Visual and Media Arts from the Government of Canada. We have 2020 winners. Let's see if, first of all, there's an entry for Dana Claxton, and if this entry has an award. How can we do that? We simply go into Wikidata. How can we search for an item? We go there, search Wikidata. We look for an entry, Dana Claxton. Okay, she's an Ong Papa. You can click on that. There's a drop down with suggestions that are for that label. So that one, there's only one for Dana Claxton. So I click. Filmmaker, photographer, and performance artist. That's the right one. Let's have a look and if there's an award. What is the label of award? Let's look for award in the page. There are no award. Okay, let's try to add. So I go at the bottom and I click on add statement, but I'm not really sure what the award is or what is the instance, the properties that I have to use. So when you click on that, there are suggestions that are coming from Wikidata. You can, when you start an item, most often those are good suggestions that you can follow, but not that one. So I want to have an award. Award received, award or recognition received by a person. Looks good. I click on it. There's another item here. Then I have to write what is the award. Let's have a look. I'll try that. Paste, governor. Oh, it's there. So there's a suggestion below because there's already an item in Wikidata that has that label that corresponds to this award. So I click on it. Oh, and I click publish. There you go. So now for Dana Claxton, here, item number, that one. It's we know that there's an award received, but there's a flag here. What does that mean? Wikipedia talks to you. Let's have a look. It's a warning. Suggestion, citation need constraint. Statement of award received should have at least one reference. Let's add a reference. How can we do that? There's a link here, add reference. Okay. Oh, reference URL. Let's paste the URL where it's coming from. Maybe I can add other information. I click reference retrieved. It's today, we're November 3rd, 2021. There you go. And I can do publish. Oh, and now the flag had disappeared. Let's have a look. There's another flag here. What does it say? The official website statement is missing a qualifier, language of work or name. Let's go on Dana Claxton's website. Looks to be in English. Okay. Edit. Add a qualifier. Language. Whoops. Language. So do not hesitate to type things where you're not sure. Suggestions will rise, and most of the time you can click on it. So language of work, it's English. West Germanic, there you go. Boom. And the warning just disappeared. So this is how you edit an item. One way of knowing what you can add is by looking at an entry and see what the information are. So you can see sex, gender. So once we know it's a human, if you want to create a new one, and we'll have the chance to discuss about that in the workshop, in the second part of the workshop that will start in a few minutes. But just that you know, you can just have a look at an item that is already exists and look at what is already there. So sex as gender is something that you can add, country of citizenship, given name, family name, date of birth, etc., etc. That's about it. So what I suggest, what we will do,
Miguel, if I can, maybe you can put the year 2020 on the as a qualifier of the price.
What a good suggestion. Thank you, Simon. So award received, which year? Let's have a look. Dana Claxton, 2020 winners. Okay. So edit qualifier year, point in time. Time and date something took place. Looks good. 2020. Boom. Voila. It's a good point you made, Simon, because in the list of the homework, let's have a look at that. There are 3 prices that you can add. A name will be assigned to you, and an award and a year. So your homework, what we will do together, you will edit an item and add the award for the person that already exists in Wikidata. So first thing you'll do is you'll search for the person name here in Wikidata. We'll click on it. And then I put in parentheses the year of the award. So what we've just done by adding a point in time as a qualifier. And there are also other person where the price is, or the award is already there, but not the year. So you only need to add the year. Other one, the reference is missing. And you can also look at the warning while you do that.